where did all the material from this handbook Rome come from? Was it developed internally? Did you use third-party resources? Where can our listeners either get a copy of Rome or create their own Rome?
Yeah, it was really developed very much internally. I mean, there was some things that we did partner with some of our vendors that we use. Like, for example, we used a lot of like Rexnord gearboxes. And so like, they helped us put some of the content together. But a lot of the other stuff was just, the best practices that we identify as an organization. So I would say that probably is still proprietary. Even I don't have a copy to that anymore. But, like I would say like, it probably took a long time before we even kicked off the first one because of so much prep work that went into developing the materials. And, we had several meetings with each one of the people within the team. And some of it was also very specific to like our production that we made, like, the operations side of it. So some of it, like it would really have to be tailored to the business. So whether you're operating a hamburger plant, or you're operating, like a prison or whatever it is, you would probably need to like really tailor it to whatever is going to best fit. And, just at the same time, using some foundational principles around reliability and operations, maintenance, and engineering. So.